Welcome to our project management presentation for the George Brown Small Business Fair. This video will walk through the purpose of our project, why it is important, our project approach, the budget, and the top 3 risks we identified. Let's begin. The George Brown Small Business Fair is a one-day event hosted on campus to connect students and alumni with local small businesses. The event provides opportunities for internships, job connections, and real-world experience. It creates a professional networking environment where participants can showcase their skills, learn from business owners, and build meaningful relationships. Our project focuses on planning the venue, registration, marketing, and overall event coordination to ensure a smooth and engaging experience for everyone involved. The career fair provides several key benefits for students, alumni, and the community. It gives participants a platform to showcase their skills and connect with potential employers. The event helps students and alumni build relationships, gain exposure, and strengthen their professional network. It also supports mentorship, learning, and career development through direct interaction with industry representatives. The fair also encourages entrepreneurship and celebrates student success within the George Brown community. The career fair brings together a few key groups who all play an important part in making the event meaningful. For students and alumni, it's a chance to explore real opportunities in their fields, meet employers, and start building their careers. George Brown College benefits by showcasing the strength of its programs and creating stronger connections with local businesses. And for those businesses, the fair opens the door to talented students and alumni who can help their teams grow. Together, these stakeholders shape the success of the event. When we look at the full timeline for the Small Business Fair, everything begins on April 22nd. From that point forward, every task we planned brings us closer to the event date on November 25th. We used Microsoft Project to map out the order of activities, how long each one would take, and which tasks rely on others being completed first. Seeing the critical path clearly helps us focus on the most time-sensitive parts of the project and keep everything moving smoothly toward the final event. When we think about what will really make this fair successful, it goes beyond just planning the tasks. What matters most is creating an event where people genuinely connect, where students and businesses actually talk, learn about each other, and walk away feeling excited about the opportunities ahead. We also want everyone involved to feel supported and satisfied with the experience. And to make sure we're doing things right, we'll track everything from QR check-ins to surveys and timelines, so we can keep improving and make this fair as meaningful as possible. When we talk about the scope of this project, we're really defining the things our team is actually responsible for bringing to life. For this fair, that includes promoting the event, coordinating with students and businesses, setting up registration, and making sure the technology, like QR codes, works smoothly. At the same time, we're clear about what falls outside the project, like long-term funding or working with external vendors. Having these boundaries helps us stay focused and deliver a well-organized, realistic event. As we keep this project organized, we broke everything down into clear work packages. Each one represents a major part of the fair that our team needs to deliver. We started with the overall planning of the event, then mapped out everything involved in registration, from how people sign up to how we manage that information. We also focused on the technology we'll use, like QR codes, and all the coordination with the venue and marketing. And finally, we planned the setup and cleanup for event day so everything runs smoothly from start to finish. When we look at the overall cost of running the career fair, the budget comes to just under $29,000. Most of this cost comes from the work that goes into planning the event, things like project management, marketing support, and the IT resources needed to set up our registration tools and QR systems. We also included expenses for the venue, materials, and event day setup. By breaking everything down, we can see exactly where the money goes and why each part of the fair requires dedicated resources. Every project comes with risks, and for the career fair, there are 3 we're watching closely. The first is low participation, which we can manage by promoting early and making the event appealing for students and alumni. Another risk involves budgeting. Costs can rise quickly, so planning ahead and getting accurate estimates helps us stay on track. And finally, venue availability is always a concern, which is why securing a space early and staying in close contact with GBC administration is essential. Overall, the career fair is designed to create meaningful opportunities for students and alumni, whether that's through networking, internships, or simply being exposed to new career paths. It also supports local businesses by connecting them with motivated talent and strengthening their ties to the GBC community. By following a clear, structured project plan, we're able to keep everything organized and deliver an event that runs smoothly and brings lasting value to everyone involved, including George Brown College.